So one thing I've been thinking a lot about recently is voting. So if I could say something to the whole world, I think I would tell everyone to vote. I know it's not going to change everything or fix everything, but I feel like if everyone voted, things would start to head in the right direction. So I would say your voice is your vote. So make sure you are heard. Now, I would write more on this, but I'm just trying to go a little bit quick, just kind of show you guys what you need to do. So your job will be to go to the journal and answer this question. Okay. I'm going to give everybody a chance to do that right now. All right. Thank you for filling out your journal. We'll move on to the next part. So we're going to ask a key question today. Why do people create web pages? All right. Why? There's a lot of web pages out there. We looked at our favorites this morning in our Padlet. And why do people create them? So we're going to do another journal entry real quick. And we're going to look at bubble 2 in code.org. So as you can see up here, when we get to this lesson, there's this is bubble 1, and this is bubble 2. All right. So this number right here tells us what bubble it is. And when you see bubble, that's what I'm talking about up here. All right. So there are a bunch of different web pages that people made. I'm going to click on one. All right. My dog is the cutest. Are you prepared to meet the cutest dog in the world? It's a good question. All right. Why do I think this person made this page? What was the title? Let's see. My dog is the cutest. So right here, I'm going to say my dog is the cutest. And the person want to share with what did this person want to share with the world? They wanted to share their dog. Why was that important to them? I think they love their dog a lot and want other people to see her. Okay, so you're going to do that. This is an example for that first one. You're going to look at those other 2 web pages and think about what you'll do for those. All right, so that's an assignment in your journal. I'll go ahead and open that up. Why don't you do sample page 1, and then you'll have a chance to do sample page 2 and 3 in just a second. All right, thank you for filling that out. Now, we're going to move on to lesson 2 right here, okay? Lesson 2, we're going to start with another journal. So open your journal. And how could, if it was over the phone, you couldn't show any pictures, how would you tell somebody to do this, okay? Go ahead and answer that in your journal right now. All right, great. So that's what we're going to learn today. Like, how do we tell the computer what to put on a web page and how to organize it? And you did the same way you would give directions to your friend over the phone, the things you would write down. We have to give those directions to the computer. All right. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to bubble 2. So in code.org, we're now on lesson 2. So look at this arrow. Here I'm on lesson 2. We're going to go to bubble 2. All right, now let's look at the directions. I might actually put this tab next to this hyperdoc so I can find it easy. Type something in the workspace, press refresh and save. Okay, let's see. Up here, I'm seeing files, workspace preview. I'm going to type something. What should I type? Hello. My name is Mr. Okay, I did that. Type refresh and save. Great. Popped up in this preview section. Go ahead and try that yourself. All right. Now, next thing you're going to do is watch this video because we're going to move to bubble 3. So after you answer the journal, you're going to watch this video in bubble 3. 2 ways to do this. You can push finish, or